Hi, Martin here. I'm out here at Pick Apart, and I got myself here a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee with a 4.7 liter, and this is an HO motor. Now, I'm out here just grabbing the camshafts out of it, because these are hard to find, right? Well, this is the third one I've gotten camshafts out, and every one of them has had one of the fulcrums pop out of it. And I'm going to show you, generally when that happens, it's one of the latch adjusters or lifters fails and the fulcrum will pop out. Well, here's an example of one that is not what happened. This is the other problem that the 4.7 is known for, and that is the valve seat coming out of the cylinder head, because it's a hardened valve seat and aluminum head, and it happens to be a prone problem with them. Here, I'm going to show you a shot here. So I've already taken the timing gear off of it, but as soon as I pulled the valve cover off, I noticed that this fulcrum was not here. I'm going, where is it? And it was sitting right down here. Okay, so if you can see the position of the lobe right now, it's into a position where you could put the fulcrum back in, but you would have to use a pry bar to get it back in there, because these are not that hard to put back in. But look, I just put it back in by hand, just like that. It just goes right back in there. And if you've ever seen my video to show you how to remove and replace these, it can be done with a pry bar, putting them back in. And remove it's just a 10mm wrench. You pop them out. And so what's happening, the valve seat has come loose and is wedged in between the valve, the seat, and the head, and it's holding this valve open. I've tried to push this down with a screwdriver, and I cannot. The spring is still good. So when that happened, this pops out of here. Naturally, you're going to lose all compression on that cylinder, and this is not going to run very good at all. It could have been repaired by having that head replaced, but it'd be a costly expense. And the engine doesn't look bad. It looks like he took relatively good care of it. Looks like he did his oil changes. It's got a little bit of that honey colored that these motors do get on the cam and inside the cylinder head there. But there's no big deposits of carbon or anything like that. Well, I'm going to go ahead and take this camshaft out of here. I can already feel the lobe. It didn't take any abuse when that fulcrum popped out. Well, I want to thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to me before, hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell symbol right next to it. All right, well, thanks for watching.